Okay, we're back today. Excuse the rain on the roof. It's raining outside. Got to do a little work on the Stihl 311. If you'd watched some of my last couple videos, you know it wouldn't start, and I have determined that the coil went bad. So today I'm going to change that out, and we're going to start by removing the top cover. And the way that I determined this was the issue. I just took the plug out and grounded it to the cylinder head here and looked for a spark. And then, of course, I checked all my wires too to see if I seen anything wrong with that. Now we got to take this cover here off. And right here is going to be our coil. It has 2 bolts that holds it in. I'll do our spark plug wire. I'm going to use a drill to take them out, but I'm not going to use it to put them back in. Wires out of the way here. I'm not going to tighten these all the way down because you got to set your gap. And you have one here that plugs in. Make sure this gets back in the groove. Okay, and the best way to set this is to put is to put a business card in between there. So let me go hunt a business card. Okay, I got my business card here. Get a little closer. You're just gonna put it right up in there. Loosen this bottom a little bit. Turn it around where the magnets pull it in. And then tighten it up. And if you use your equipment enough, you're eventually going to have problems. Now I want to turn it around, make sure nothing's hitting. We got good clearance. Now we just got to put it back together. And then we're going to see if she'll pop. I'll go ahead and put my cover back on. I took the bar and chain off just so I could be easier to work on. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Okay, let's see if she's gonna pop here. You ready? Let's see if we can get her to fire. That sounded promising. And that fixed the problem. So it's raining today, so don't look like we're gonna get into doing too much. So hope y'all enjoyed the video.